Credit One Bank Platinum X5 Visa Metal Card Review. Worth it or not? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. And if you're wondering whether this metal card is actually worth carrying or just looks premium, this will help you decide fast. The Credit One Bank Platinum X5 Visa Metal Card is positioned as a higher level option from Credit One, mainly aimed at people who want cashback rewards but may not qualify for top tier cards elsewhere. The first thing that stands out is the metal design, which does feel solid and premium, but the real question is whether the benefits justify the cost. The biggest selling point is cashback. The card offers higher rewards in specific everyday categories like gas, groceries, or dining, usually up to a set spending limit. Outside of those categories, rewards drop significantly. This means the card only makes sense if most of your spending lines up with those bonus areas. Fees are where things get important. This card comes with an annual fee, and depending on the account, there may be additional charges. If spending is not high enough in the bonus categories, those fees can cancel out the rewards quickly. This is not a set it out and forget it card. Credit limits are typically modest. That can help control spending, but it also means balances can rise fast if payments are not managed carefully. Interest rates are high, so carrying a balance for long periods can become expensive. One positive is credit reporting. The card reports to the major credit bureaus, so consistent on-time payments can help build or rebuild credit. However, missed payments will hurt just as quickly. So who is this card best for? It fits people who want the metal design, spend regularly in the bonus categories, and pay balances in full every month. It is not ideal for people looking for a low-fee credit builder or flexible rewards. Is it worth it or not? For disciplined users who match the spending categories, it can make sense. For everyone else, the fees often outweigh the benefits. The value depends entirely on how you use it.